Heather. I'm gonna do a coffee cup splash today. This is inspired by Gina DeLuca's water droplets, and I've got a bunch of different colors of kind of like a coffee color and shades and highlights as well, the white and the dark brown, but mostly it'll be these three colors here. And I'm already getting stuff on my canvas here, so I'm gonna wipe that off before it dries. Okay, and I just quickly painted a little background with some, you know, just to give it a little bit of more depth. I think later, I'm gonna go ahead and do the splash now. I'm gonna go in later and paint the coffee cup, just because this is the first time I've ever done this, so I can take my time with the cup and paint around it, kind of. So, alright, I'm just going to start outlining it. Basically, I'm going to use this one here. So my cup's going to be around here, this area. So it's got this kind of like a splash coming up, and that splash kind of comes down right here, this area. Comes around, comes up, and it's almost got like this double wall here. Okay, I'm not getting enough on my brush or on my palette knife. Just got this back one here, splash. It's coming up, and it's got this nice splash going over here on the side. So this picture is actually from Unsplash. Let's see, the is OMKY is the photographer. Just kind of goes up around it, and this one kind of goes like that. I wish I could give you more detailed instructions besides this over here and here and here, but this is literally the first time I've done this splash. Now I've done several fluid paintings with just my palette knife, and for that aspect you just definitely want to use the tip and kind of let the paint drip off while you're making an outline. A lot of times I'll just outline, I'll use the actual bottle of you know, of the fluid art that's already mixed up in my pre-mixed bottles, so something like this. But this one is definitely a smaller area that I'm going to be working with, and I don't want a bunch of paint on the canvas just yet. Alright, so I've got the gist of it here, the outline. And I'm going to kind of go in and fill with this paint and do a little bit more on the edge here with this. I'm going to add this. Kind of going right along with this, this last line that I did. But she's got a great tutorial on it. I've watched a couple of them, and they're very thorough because she's done quite a few. So, but I'd love for you to stick around and watch mine, and then you can go watch hers. That'd be awesome. I appreciate that. I was thinking about painting a boot with the splash, but I couldn't find a good picture with exactly what I wanted. You know, that is Creative Commons type of photo. You know, I don't just copyright, I don't get anybody's photo, so I try to get them on Pixabay or Unsplash and places like that. But anyway, couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, and a lot of times I'll get a couple of different pictures that, you know, I can kind of work with, but being that this is the very first time I have ever done this type, I didn't want to test the waters, so to speak, pun intended, with, with this new technique here, with the blending the photos. So I just wanted to get a photo that I could look right at, and already have the shadows in there and the color, so I'm not guessing and trying to do that. Okay, add a little bit more of that. So it's pretty, so it's kind of white, you know, the highlights are right here in the middle, and then these darker is what's giving you the curves and the different splash marks. I know she does water drops, and it probably makes for a prettier just water look and splash look, but I wanted to do something a little different. Well, not only that, I did so much water stuff this summer that I'm kind of looking forward to doing something a little different. I'm just kind of moving this paint around now and getting the swirl look. So just bear with me. I'll try not babble, but sometimes I tend to babble when I'm trying to concentrate because I can't really, I'm not good at doing two things at once. That I'm just going to do a couple little strips here and there. basically finished. I mean, it's very, just make sure you're there. The camera keeps cutting off, it's getting hot. It's very, very loose, and I don't know if I nailed it, but I like it. I mean, I think it's cute, and I think once I get the coffee cup on there, it'll be real cute. Okay, so again, I didn't want to waste a lot of time painting out a cup if this didn't turn out right, so now I'm just kind of going in here and gonna do a little something, just a tiny cup. Sorry, I like to say a lot when I can't think because I'm trying to be super careful here. I don't want to drag out the paint here. Yeah, so I'm just trying to see if I can do some kind of cup. And I kind of want it to look like it's flying in the air. I thought about making, you know, just a base and a table, but I think this will look a little better since it's at an angle anyway, slight angle. Airbrush, draw that a little bit so I can speed through this. Do another coat. And I think I'll write coffee on there. Space quite right. I'm going to draw it out. Okay, I'm just going to stop and go down. Just leave it. It'll be perfect. Wow, I'm super impressed with my camera lasting this long. I've been having to just brush through everything. This is my DSLR, and I've had it for a long time, several years, maybe 6 or 7 years. But it's not really made to take video. It's just, you know, it's made to take maybe short clips and mostly photos. So I just got a new camera, phone I'm at, so I just need to invest in a little stand. I'm moving that paint around. Blue in here. blends in with the background, but that's okay with me because I kind of like, it's okay that it blends in because I kind of like that it's more focused on the splash. And then I'm going to have a few running down. I'm going to water this down fairly good. So actually I might be able to just do it with the back of a So here it is, all complete. I'm not sure about the cup. I might go back and do some more. But anyway, thanks for watching.